This kind of protocol.government implementation is very useful and important in this kind of cases, and also following this kind of protocol, which is wearing masks, social distancing, also called physical distancing, means keeping a safe space between yourself and other people. The government has allowed asymptomatic and mild COVID-19 cases to home quarantine. People being infected and so have to undergo 14-day quarantine and monitor their health condition. By doing or practicing those protocols could help or avoid the further rise of COVID-19 cases.
Local update of coronavirus disease. Globally, as of C18 December 2020, there have been 65,007,974 confirmed cases of COVID-19, including 1,570,000.
Wash your hands often using soap. When cough or sneeze, use your elbow, not your hands. Avoid touching your eyes, nose, and mouth. Always have a 1 meter distancing. When someone is sick, never get close to them. Clean and disinfect surface and object people frequently touch.
5 ways on how to take care mental health during this pandemic. Challenge your negative thoughts. Aim to think positively. Set limits and take breaks of all electrons.
COVID-19 outbreak.
Distance physically but
Hundreds
not
of thousands
socially.
of institutions across the globe are temporarily closing and moving to remote learning as we all adjust to a new normal. With the shift to online teaching, it is vital that institutions don't just share academic content through electronic files. Students need the support of their learning communities and more
When
than
wearing a
ever.
mask, you should wear and discard it correctly. To properly use it, you should locate the metal strip at the top of your mask and put it over the bridge of your nose and put the elastics around your ears. Make sure to cover your nose, mouth, and chin. While in use, do not touch the front of your mask for it may be contaminated. To remove the mask, take the elastics from your ears and discard it in a closed bin. If you have accidentally touched the front of your mask while removing it, hand hygiene after is a must.
During this quarantine, you can clean your room. Maybe you let your room get a little messy and still haven't done anything about it. Or maybe you didn't unpack anything you brought home from the school yet. Now is the time to
Increase
do
your
that.
chance of spreading and getting COVID-19. Postponing travel and staying home is the best way of protecting yourselves
The
and to
positive
others.
impact of COVID-19 in the environment, it lessened the pollution because no factories and industries were open. The negative impact of COVID-19 to the environment, the people stopped working and no jobs and no food.